6 a.m. I don't even know. Joey woke me up. I was sleeping on the couch, long story short, because of the children. Joey had to work this morning at 3, and so I didn't even have my phone on me, but I still had my watch on because I forgot to charge it. Anyways, long story short, he called and I knew exactly why he was calling. So we're headed to the barn. I don't know if you can probably hear me or not. We're at about 25 minutes without a piglet, so the watch is coming off. Just gonna reach in and see if one is stuck or something like that. It's not super uncommon. I'm gonna have to go in with my non-dominant hand though, the way that she's laying, so wish me luck. Megan. Yeah, stay over on that side.
No.
Put him on the ground. Put him on the ground. Don't let him go outside.
Mom, why can't you keep it? Mom, give me one now. Oh, that was a snake on it. What? What's that on? It's going. Wow.
It's raining, Wavy. Is it raining? Actually, it sounded like it was downpouring, but it stopped. We're supposed to get a lot of rain today, which means the back of the barn is going to flood, which means where we were going to put the piglets, have their little creep area, is probably going to flood. So we got to rethink things, but I think it's going to go like where she's laying, actually. So I can't really do much about that now, but I am going to set up a little pen for now with a heat lamp. They're all still eating a lot, but when she gets up, I want it to be ready. Heat lamp is probably semi overkill. Like, you want to keep them between 85 and 90 degrees when they're born. And it's very hot and humid, but at the same time, like, we've got the fan going, multiple things, and I don't want to turn the fan off for her sake. There's spider webs over. Oh, just kidding. There's no bulb in that. Guess I won't be using that one. Oh, it means I gotta go in the rain. Oh. Yeah, keep fighting, little one.
What's that in there? What's that in there? Yeah, stay back up.
Good. Good.
I know that one is real. I know that one is alive. Probably just playing dead.
Yeah. Walk away from the fan. Piglet update. We are up to 10 live pigs. We had one stillborn. I guess technically 2. I'll show you the other one. It's very underdeveloped. I don't know if I said something that should be on YouTube. Probably not, but I think it's cool, so we're going to show you. So of the 10, one of them, the one that came after the first stillborn one, wasn't really breathing when he came out. I kind of got him going. I hope he makes it. He's breathing now, just not like full of life. Not upright yet, but he is breathing. So I put him in front of the heat lamp just to kind of keep him warm. Hopefully he figures his ish out. That's about it. It's raining. I got their little pen set up. It's very temporary. I'd say all of them, but like 3 are under it. And yeah, once Joey gets home from work, we'll revamp it. I do need to feed the rest of the animals, but also it's raining, so I might wait a little bit. I'm going to show you the underdeveloped piglet. So this is your morning. If you don't like, I don't think it's gross, but if you don't like squeamish, if you're squeamish, or you don't like things like that, just fast forward like 20 seconds, okay? Okay, I warned you. I mean, it's pretty cool. I gotta look up what stage gestation, like, this is, but it's got its whole skeleton, and I don't know if this is the skin layer. Please. It's just so cool. Like, you can see its feet, like its little hooves. Look at him. Oh, poor little buddy. But yeah, pulled that out after we had the stillborn one, and then I waited 15 minutes, went in, got the other like half dead one, and then waited another 15 minutes, and then that came out, and the first placenta came out. Pigs usually have 2 placentas. I can't imagine how many more piglets she can have. I think last time she had 13 or 14. So we're just gonna keep an eye on her and hope that she's almost done, because I'm almost done. Can't hold you. Good job, Mama. Second placenta is out, which means we're done, hopefully. I don't feel anything else in there. I did pull out, as you saw, another super tiny undeveloped piglet. I don't remember her having those before, so it's just kind of cool to see. I'm gonna head up, get some clean clothes on, and probably feed the cows because they're probably hungry. Although no one's bellaring, so that's a plus. But thanks for watching. We'll keep you updated with how they do. Basically, we're just gonna pray now that she doesn't lay on any in the first couple days. It is what it is, without like a farrowing crate. That's just kind of life. I will say though, if you watch the first video and how psycho she was when she was a gelt having piglets to now, like she's a good mother. She knows to move slowly. She knows like, she was, when they like were kind of going up by her face or like in her armpit, she was kind of like kicking them away, like listen here. So I'm hopeful that she will hopefully not lay on any. The only one I'm actually worried about that's not moving very well is the one that was like not really breathing when it came out. It's the only one that hasn't nursed yet, so she showed some interest in nursing, but I just couldn't get her to latch. So we'll keep an eye on her, but yeah, that's all I got for this video. Stay dry, folks.